What we have had here in the last couple of weeks are a number of fires here in Fairfax, as well as across the region, as a result of improperly placed ashes from a fireplace.
We are in Station 13, Fairfax County Fire and Rescue Department. We are located in Down Loring. The fire chief was talking about the recent fire events that occurred in the neighborhood.
And during this bitterly cold snap that we're having, we want everyone to practice some safety as it relates to ashes.
So first thing you do, you need to make sure you get yourself a metal bucket. You can get one from a hardware store. Make sure you have the appropriate tools as well. We have a little shovel on this area. And what you want to do is you want to make sure you open up your bucket, grab the ashes from inside, dump them into the bucket, and get as much ashes as you can, clear completely out, and then grab a glass of water and then dump it around and make sure you wet them down. Once you do that, you grab the lid, put the lid on top.
The lid makes it more safe because as you carry it to the outside, which is where those canned ashes need to go, you don't want it flaring up and catching something in the house on fire. We need to get the message to the community, can your ashes.
The Fairfax County Fire and Rescue Department wants you to remember to can your ashes. Enlata tus cenizas y manténlas lejos de la casa, por lo menos 10